Hi, my name's Nora Edelstein. I'm the co-founder of UrbanYou, which is a platform to book trusted, pre-screened household services in real time. So I'd spent 15 years working in global technology and media companies like Yahoo, Foxtel, IBM, as well as top-tier legal firms in Sydney and London. One of the things I noticed in common with people working at these places was they never had enough time to get things done around the house. So they would take a day off work to let a tradie in, and inevitably the tradie wouldn't show up. So I met my co-founder Elke when we were both working at Yahoo on the senior executive team there, and we'd been using technology to solve many problems, and we knew there had to be a better way to address this issue, and that's how UrbanYou was born. And it's a platform which allows you to book trusted pre-screened household services in real time. We've got a curated network of cleaners and gardeners. They're all police checked, they've all got insurance, and you're able to book them instantly in real time. The reason we decided to migrate our Zendesk data was because UrbanYou was acquired by another company, Flare, and we wanted to consolidate our support teams. We both used Zendesk, but on separate accounts. Now, it's relatively simple to add another brand into Zendesk, and we did that without too many troubles, but what we found was the tickets in our old Zendesk account, and we had 200,000 tickets, we couldn't access them in the new account. And the problem with that was we couldn't retain any of our customer data. And we're a very heavy customer service focused business. And so we really needed to provide that real-time service to our customers to be able to access any of their old issues, bookings and concerns. So it was really important for us that that data came across. The first thing we did when looking to migrate our Zendesk tickets was have our internal team review and see if they were able to solve that problem for us. Now, we've got an excellent tech team, but they don't have the expertise in Zendesk. So although they were able to dump the data into a spreadsheet, they weren't able to transition the whole ticket history for us. So the next thing we did was speak with Zendesk directly, and they actually recommended help desk migration. We looked into this company and we did some of our own research, and they couldn't have been more highly recommended. And so, we decided to go with them, and we couldn't be happier with the results. It was an absolutely seamless experience migrating our Zendesk data with help desk migration. We had a very complex migration because we had over 200,000 tickets, and help desk migration just made it so easy. We were allocated an account manager, Ira, at the very beginning, and she saw us through the whole process and really walked us step by step. They gave us a free test to trial the migration and make sure that our tickets came across in the way that we expected and the data integrity was maintained. And really, it couldn't have been easier.